Hi guys, it's Lindsay and today we are doing DIY lash extensions. I live for this DIY, having just like beautiful, long, luxurious lashes all the time. Like waking up like this is the best thing ever since like Kiss Proof lipstick, my first love. And no joke, you guys, I get so many compliments on my lashes when I do these lash extensions, and since I love me some glam on a budget DIYs, I had to share this one with you guys, obviously. And I'll do a little Q&A at the end with details on how to care for them and how long they last and all that kind of stuff. But I want to know, what is the one makeup item you cannot leave the house without, like your go-to? Leave me a comment down below letting me know. Like, is it lipstick or mascara or highlighter? Let me know in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you're the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. Quick little disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm not a lash technician. This is just what I do at home on myself, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It's really close to your eyes, so you have to be really careful and just be really safe. Read all the instructions if you give it a try. Today I'm using the Ardell individual lash kit. It has everything you need, like tweezers and 3 sizes of lashes, glue, and the remover. I got these on Amazon for like 10 bucks, but you can definitely get them at like Target or a drugstore in the makeup section. But as always, I'll leave all the links to everything I use down below in the description box. So use your tweezers to gently pluck the lash cluster from the plastic, and make sure you do it at the root so you don't pull the lashes apart. And dip them in a teeny bit of glue, and you're gonna place the lashes right on your natural lash as close to the lash line as possible, but without touching the skin of your eyelid. You definitely don't want to get the lash glue stuck onto your eyelid. And I just start off by adding half of the short lashes to my eye, so that's about 7 of the little clusters, and I start from the middle of my eye and work my way in towards the inner corner. And don't go too far in towards the corner of your eye. This is going to be really uncomfortable, and you don't want to feel it like pinching on your skin in the corner when you open and shut your eye. So after I add half of the small size lashes to the inner half of my eye, next I go in with the row of medium, and I do a full row of medium, so that's 14 lash clusters on each eye. And I start in the center and go all the way out towards the corner of my eye. And I do one eye at a time, and make sure you're using a magnified mirror. It makes it so much easier, trust me. You can definitely pour a little bit of glue onto the plastic and use it from there. I just like to dip it right into the bottle because I feel like the glue dries out really fast. And it's really important to make sure you wash off all of your makeup, make sure there's no oils or makeup on your lashes so the glue really adheres well to them. And as I work, I just like to push up the lashes with the tweezers so they flare up and out and they don't look droopy at all. And then I just start stacking on top of each other to build the foundation of the lashes. And I like to leave about 1/4 to 1/3 of the inner part of my eye with only the short lashes, so it gives the effect of shorter lashes towards the inner quarter of my eye and getting longer as they get towards the outer corner of my eye. That gives more of this cat eye effect that I like, with the fluttery kind of wispy looking lashes. Last, I do half a row of the long sized lashes, that's 7 on each eye, and I usually go from about the middle of my eye to the outer corner and just stack them on top of each other towards the outer corner to give a more full look to the lashes. I love the long ones. I think they're so gorgeous and wispy looking and really dramatic. You don't have to use the long ones if you want a more natural lash. And I just go in and add them on top of each other until they're nice and full. Just remember, the more you put on, the heavier they're going to be on your eye, and you can go in and fill in any gaps that you might have missed until you have your gorgeous full set of lashes. You guys, how amazing did these turn out? I'm like fully obsessed. If you guys give these a try, be sure to follow me on social media. Tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations and see all of your beautiful lash looks. Or share this video with somebody who you know would totally be obsessed with this lash extension tutorial too. These are really inexpensive. They're really fun to do at home, and I'm just like so proud of them. So it took me about, I'd say like 30 minutes-ish to do a full set of lash on each eye. But the more you do it, the better you'll get, the quicker you'll get at it. Just make sure you don't wash your face or get water on your lashes directly afterwards, because you really want that glue to have a chance to dry and set so those lashes are on there real good. Okay, as far as makeup, you can definitely do your makeup totally like normal. You can add eyeliner, you can even add mascara to them if you want. You don't really need to. Just make sure when you wash your face, you're not using a product with oil in it, so just use oil-free face wash. I usually just use those cleansing wipes when I have lash extensions, so I'm not you know, messing with them too much. If you're using makeup remover, just make sure it's oil-free, because the oil in those products is gonna break down the glue faster, and your lashes won't last as long. These lashes last about 1 to 2 weeks. I usually get a good like 10 days out of them, and if any of them fall out, just like individual lashes, you can just go in and add one by one back in where they fell out, so you'll never have like any patches or sparse areas. That way you always have just like a full set of totally glam, gorgeous lashes. When the lashes are ready to come off, I recommend just using the lash remover that came with the kit. Just let it soak in there and break down the glue, and then they just kind of slide right off your natural lash. I just don't recommend trying to remove them before they're ready to come off, because you don't want to rip out any of your natural lashes. That glue is strong, you guys, and it hangs on in there. So wait till the lashes are really ready to come off, then apply the remover and slide them off gently. Don't try to remove the lashes before they're ready. And if you guys have any other questions at all, just go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. I try to respond to as many comments as I can. And if you guys liked this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. And then go check out my DIY brow extension video, because if you liked this one, that one is gonna blow your mind. All right, thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. Oh, the cat's out of the bag. I don't pay $1 zillion to get lash extensions at the salon. I DIY them at home for like 10 bucks. Duh, glam on a budget. Check out today's YouTube video. I'm showing you exactly how to DIY your own lash extensions at home.